Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch plywood here. I'm getting ready to laminate with white laminate, and I'm doing it outside. I was hoping to get it done before the wind picked up, but it's a little breezy. That might be a good thing because this contact adhesive is pretty nasty stuff. I made the mistake of doing a small section of plywood inside, and the fumes were pretty bad. So hopefully I can get this done. Get the scrap wood here because you need to coat both pieces, the laminate and the plywood, and then it dries in about a half hour. And then you have to be really careful because once the two pieces become in contact with each other, there's no separating them. So you have these individual pieces of wood that these little shims that you slowly remove after you are confident that you have the laminate in the correct position before you put the two pieces together. So that's the plan. So they actually have a roller for this contact adhesive. So hopefully this 1 gallon is enough. So this is the router bit I'm going to use. It has the bearing on there that rides along the edge of the plywood, and that'll trim off the excess laminate. So here's the sheet of plywood with the laminate on it that I can use whenever I want a nice work surface here, do some projects on. I have it on some sawhorses right now, but I could at a later date cut this in half and use it for a bench, or just use it as this size here, build a bench. So if you found this video interesting, please subscribe, like, and or comment. And that's laminating a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. Thanks for watching.